Welcome. I'd like to share with you very quickly a little bit about myself and why I created this course. In case you don't already know, my name is Lindsay Smith and I have been a teacher and a tutor for more than a decade. Before I became a teacher, I went to Harvard to receive my master's degree in a program called Mind, Brain, and Education. This is a picture of me and my younger brother on the day of my graduation from Harvard. However, I want you to know that schoolwork did not always come easy to me. Actually, it was quite the opposite for many years. This is a picture of an actual note one of my teachers sent home to my mother. My maiden name was Woods. As you can see, my teacher felt I was struggling in almost every subject, and I had no study skills or organizational skills, and she was 100% right. You can see it says, please discuss these papers with Lindsay. She must study each evening to improve her skills in math, spelling, science, and social studies, almost every subject. She needs to record work in a plan book. So you can see schoolwork was not coming easy to me, and as a result, I was getting grades like this. Ugh, and this. Yes, that score was a 36%. As you can see, academic success was difficult at that time. Thankfully, this teacher helped me to understand that I needed to master study skills to become a successful student. From that point on, I set a goal for myself to figure out better study strategies so that I could improve my grades. What I found is that most people think that IQ is the greatest predictor of academic success, but it's not. In fact, research shows that the best predictor of how successful students are is whether they have good study habits and time management skills, which early on, I did not, as you saw. Anyway, I spent years doing research to find the best study strategies and tips. I kept learning more about good study habits through my time at Harvard, and I continued researching and learning about them afterwards. I wanted to help other students so that they could benefit from what I learned. Creating this course was one way that I hoped to make life easier for other students in the same way that that teacher had helped me. So now, let's get started.